Your heart works every second of your life, and one of the simplest ways to support it starts with what you put on your plate. Today, let's look at 10 everyday foods that can support heart health, energy, and long-term wellness. You don't need a total overhaul to see a difference. Small, consistent changes are where the magic happens. Let's count down 10 powerhouses for your heart. Number 1, oats. They are rich in soluble fiber, which helps manage cholesterol and makes for a simple, heart-friendly breakfast. Try swapping your morning cereal for old-fashioned or steel-cut oats to get the most benefit. Next up, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that support your blood vessels. They bring natural sweetness without the added sugar, making them a perfect snack or yogurt topper. 3, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and romaine are nutritional heavyweights, providing vitamins and minerals that help regulate blood pressure. If you aren't a fan of salads, try blending a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie. You won't even taste it. 4, nuts. Unsalted almonds or walnuts provide healthy fats and fiber. Just a small handful can keep you satisfied between meals. They're a great crunch factor to add to salads or enjoy on the go. 5, salmon. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fats, which are widely known for supporting long-term heart health. Aiming for 2 servings of fatty fish a week is a great goal for most adults. 6, avocado. It adds a creamy texture and heart-friendly unsaturated fats to any meal. Try using mashed avocado as a spread instead of mayo for a nutrient-dense alternative. 7, beans. They are affordable, filling, and high in both fiber and plant-based protein. They're incredibly versatile. Add them to soups, stews, or even cold salads. 8, tomatoes. They are versatile and contain antioxidants like lycopene, which is great for your cardiovascular system. Cooking tomatoes actually makes it easier for your body to absorb those beneficial antioxidants. 9, olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a smart swap for heavy, creamy sauces or butter when cooking. It's the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet for a reason. And 10, Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt provides protein and can replace sugary snacks when paired with fruit. You don't need to change your whole diet overnight. Pick just 2 foods from this list and add them to your week. Small steps lead to big results over time. Subscribe to Better Life Daily for more simple health tips. Remember, this is for education. Always talk to your doctor about your heart health.